Hello everyone, this is Mr. Tinnich, your geometry teacher for the upcoming school year. Hopefully everyone had a great summer, as I definitely did as well. I hope you all are prepared to start geometry this upcoming school year and ready to take on all the tasks that take to have a successful school year. Now, the first set of notes that we'll be going over is Chapter 1.1, Points, Lines, and Planes. Now, all our notes for the entire year will look exactly like these. The first thing I'll need you guys to do is write the date at the top right hand corner of the day you are taking your notes. This will keep you organized as to knowing when you have taken your notes. Throughout our notes, we will have multiple boxes such as these that will tell us specific definitions that we'll need to know throughout our chapter. The first definition we come across is undefined terms, which can be defined as terms explained only using examples and descriptions. A few examples of undefined terms would include points, lines, and planes, which we will describe here shortly. Our first undefined term we are going to go over is a point, which can simply be described as a location. The diagram of a point is simply just a dot with a capital letter that represents that point, and how we would write it is point A. One important characteristic of points that we need to know is that they neither have shape nor size. Our next undefined term is a line, which is made up of points and has no thickness or width. One important characteristic of lines that we all need to know is that there is exactly one line through any 2 points. To draw a diagram of a line, the first thing we need to do are create 2 points, which we are going to label as P and Q. Then, to create our line, we are going to connect the dots and extend that all the way through both of those. Now, since we have already labeled our 2 points P and Q, we can also label our line as M. Make sure to note that both P and Q are capital and our M is lowercase. There are a few ways that we can call this line. We can either call it line M, line PQ, or PQ with the line symbol above it, or line QP, or the QP with the line symbol above that. Like we said before, there's exactly one line through any 2 points. Now, when we have points that are on the same line, they are said to be collinear. This is the end of the first part of our Chapter 1.1 notes. Make sure to please go to Part 2 to continue on with the Chapter 1.1 notes.